Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now there's a lot of facial oils out there, especially in the skincare world today. However, some oils are rated higher than some when it comes on to getting rid of wrinkles on the skin and also for boosting collagen production and getting clear glowing skin. Today I have a very special oil for you, one that is widely used in cooking. However, most people are not aware that this special oil is also great for your skin. This oil is the sesame seed oil, loaded with antioxidants and minerals that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin while getting rid of all the wrinkles and fine lines. Not only that, it is also great in hydrating the skin, boosting the collagen production in the skin, lifting, firming the skin, and especially when you mix it with other ingredients, it will just have your face glowing. So if you want to see how I use this powerful oil, just 2 to 3 drops in my skincare remedies to create a complete facial for you, just continue watching the video. So take a look at what I have here. This is sesame seed oil. Now this is cold press, first press organic sesame seed oil. Now when you're choosing sesame oil, please remember not to use toasted sesame oil. That is basically fried oil, so you don't want that. You want the organic, you want the fresh first press sesame seed oil. Now, sesame oil is high in zinc, which helps your skin produces collagen. This gives your skin more elasticity and help repair any damage to your skin. Now, sesame seed may also help slow down the aging process, and the oils contain an antioxidant called sesamol, which prevent the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Sesame oil is also known for its use as a natural sunscreen due to its high levels of vitamin E. However, guys, don't go out without protecting your skin. It is also anti-inflammatory, which makes it ideal for those with sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, as it helps to fight off bacteria. So those are some of the many benefits of this awesome goodness, sesame seed oil. Now, one of the reasons why people might shy away from the sesame oil is because they buy the toasted one, which have this high, strong smell like stir fry. Don't get that one. Get the first press, cold press sesame seed oil. Now to begin, the first thing we're going to do, we are going to cleanse our face, and I'm going to be using a teaspoon of a sesame seed oil. Take a look at this, and here I have some rose water, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of rose water. I'm just going to blend it with the sesame seed oil. Just mix it well. And once this is done, I'm going to use this on my face as a facial cleanser. Now moving on. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. And I'm going to take a piece of aloe vera gel. Here it is. Extract the aloe vera gel like I'm showing here. And once I extract the gel, I'm going to be blending this gel. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. And here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. So I'm going to take a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, a 15 ml. And I'm going to pour a teaspoon of the sesame seed oil. We're just gonna blend the two together. And the next ingredient is oatmeal, and this is a blended oatmeal. Just blend your oatmeal to a powder, and I'm gonna be using 1 tablespoon of the blended oatmeal, and I'm gonna mix this with the sesame seed oil and the aloe vera gel. And here we have our sesame facial mask. And now we're gonna make our sesame moisturizer. We're gonna use a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed is high in vitamin E. However, we're gonna add an additional a few drops of vitamin E oil. Here I have some vegetable glycerin. I'm adding 2 drops of the vegetable glycerin. If you do not have vegetable glycerin, you could leave that out. And you could add any other carrier oil such as almond oil, grapeseed oil, rosehip oil, cacao oil. You just add your favorite oil to this mix. And here you have your moisturizing facial oil. And there you have it, guys, the sesame seed oil, just a few drops to make you your facial cleanser, your facial mask, and your facial oil. All right? Now to begin, let's start with step number 1, which is to cleanse the face. We're going to use the facial cleanser and we're going to apply it with preferably a cotton pad. So you want to dip this in the solution and just use it over your entire face. Now this facial cleanser is not only good for grease, but it's also good to remove your makeup. Once you apply it with the cotton pad over your entire face, you're going to rinse this off with some cold water and pat dry the skin, and you're going to move on to step number 2. And step number 2 is the tightening facial mask. So you're just gonna apply the facial mask like I'm showing here. Cover your entire face with this. Now if you have sagging skin and wrinkled skin, focus on those areas. Just pack the facial mask on. Cover your entire face. This facial mask is also good for getting rid of the large pores. So if you have a lot of large pores, especially on your nose, cover it with this facial mask. Now this facial mask, once applied to the skin and leave on for 30 minutes, is going to come to a complete dry. Now after you apply this facial mask, I suggest you use your hand and just rub it on in circular motion like I'm showing here. Just kind of gently exfoliate the skin with the facial mask. Do this for about a minute or 2, and then you're going to leave it on to dry for about 30 minutes. Now look at this up close. As you can see, it's completely covered the face, and I did not use this one under my eyes. Once you rinse off, pat dry the skin, and now the skin is ready, very clean, to absorb the facial oil. And a little goes a long way. You do not need a lot. So just pour a little in your hands like I'm showing here. Warm the oil. I like to just warm it in my hands. And then once this is done, just press it in the skin. Press it in the skin. And this is also helping with circulation. So just press that oil on the skin and take a look at my skin. Amazing. Just press it on for about a minute. And the reason why you're taking so long is because you are boosting the collagen by pressing firmly, helping with a circulation. And that is it. You are all done a complete facial using sesame seed oil. Now there you have it, 3 ways that you can use the sesame seed oil on your skin. Just add it to your wonderful facial mask, your wonderful serum, your wonderful hydrating facial toner. Just use it on a daily for a best result. Now guys, if you have watched this video and you have already used or have already tried the sesame seed oil, please feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if this is the first time watching and you want to see more of these videos, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. If you want to get a notification as soon as I upload a video, click on the little bell at the side and also turn on YouTube notification on your phone. Now guys, I also have a show, and this show is every Friday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. On this show, we talk about new ingredients, new discoveries, different kinds of oils and remedies that is great for your skin. It's a very interactive show, so you could chime in and add your 2 cents, share your knowledge with us. So join me every Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.